Hi kids, today we're gonna build a breeze with cups and popsicle sticks. So we're gonna use those to build a breeze. So let's go do it. You're gonna do it yours, okay? Okay, so we're gonna put 2 cups at a time by the side. One like this, like that. If you want it to a big breeze, you could do it. I'm gonna use my 8 cups. So now we're gonna use this popsicle sticks like this first, and with the cross we have to do like this. Make a breeze. Oops. Okay. Oh, need more. Okay. So good. Yeah. See, look at that. My breeze is my breeze. I made it with cups and popsicle sticks. So I have one friend. He gonna walk over the breeze. Let's go. See, tick, 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 tick. Yeah, yeah, I did it. I think you enjoy it. So you're gonna make your breeze with the cups and popsicle stick. Okay, see you next time. Bye.